मे बी बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, ये ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि ये थानसा क्या है, मे बी ये भी एक थानसा हो सकता है कि हम लोग एज एडीसी मेंबर्स, नॉट एज ऑपोजिशन, नॉट एज ट्रेजरी, एज एडीसी मेंबर्स, एक बार जाके एक आवाज में, अरे अपने, वी आर इलेक्टेड पीपल, यू हैव बीन इलेक्टेड, आई हैव बीन इलेक्टेड, वी आर आंसरेबल टू अ पीपल, हमको वोट देके हम लोग यहां में आए, लेकिन हम लोग अपने लोगों को क्या जवाब दें? बैकलॉग बहुत सीरियस इशू, एम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत सीरियस इशू। लास्ट ईयर 619 crores was given to us, budget by state government. Today is 27th of March. We have received 465 crores. Government has not even kept its own commitment. They are short by 134 crores. चार दिन बाकी है फाइनेंशियल ईयर खत्म होने के। आपने 25% बजट तो दिया ही नहीं। दिस ईयर फिर से कमिटमेंट दिया जाए, लेकिन it is very sad that ADC has been created. Our bills are sent to the governor. Customary bill हमने पास किया था. Everybody agreed. Our leader of the opposition is here. He called me personally and he said, thank you for passing the Chakma customary bill. What is the problem? Why is it not being approved? इसमें तो हम लोग एक होके जाके बात कर सकते हैं. The problem here, your honorable chairman, and I hope what I am saying, tomorrow I may not be here. Tomorrow, कल मैं शायद यहाँ ना रहूं. हम लोग सबको जाना है. लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात बोलना चाहता हूं. This I speak with authority and with clarity. The problem is, to the opposition members, to the treasury, I am telling you, the problem is, we are fighting for power. We have to fight for the rights. There is a big difference, your honorable chairman, between power and rights. Right, अधिकार, जो खुमुलुम मार्केट में पान बेचता है, वो अगर उसको अधिकार मिलेगा, दैट हमारा अधिकार. पावर, आज एमडीसी है, मिनिस्टर है, एमएलए है, 5 साल के बाद जिस दिन वो गया, आपका पावर कुछ मतलब नहीं रखता. अधिकार, justice, the fight is for the rights. ADC was given to us to protect the rights of the indigenous people, 6th schedule. And today, आपने किताब में तो लिख दिया कि आपको राइट्स मिल गए, लेकिन आपने एक्चुअली हमें टूथलेस टाइगर बना के रखा. If all of us, whether it is the Eklavya school, which is being only made outside the ADC areas, whether it is the 36 villages which the honorable member Vidyut had raised last year when he was on this side, no problem, but it's a legitimate issue. Whether it is that, the inclusions of 36 villages, whether it is Chakma Babu talking about Drav Kumar Riyan, who aaj nahi hai yahan, but you had suggested that we should go and visit him. I still remember, Chakma Babu, I still remember. I appreciate your suggestions. I don't want to When I go to Ganganagar, I see the Honorable MDC elected from Ganganagar, independent MDC at that time. I see the problem in Ganganagar block. And I know that you have been elected by the people of Ganganagar, but you cannot do anything for your people. And here we are fighting as treasury and opposition. Our people are suffering in the villages, and here we are fighting as opposition and treasury. The truth is, Honorable Chairman, that we are all suffering. There is no ruling, there is no opposition. We are all in opposition. You all understand that. But openly you cannot admit it. But maybe slowly by slowly, Honorable Chairman, if we can start a process like you have in the Assembly, where there are members of the opposition and the treasury in various committees, maybe यहाँ से भी थोड़ा सा थांसा हो सकता है. I would like to thank the Honorable Chairman you have given me a chance. आपने हमको मौका दिया बात करने का. छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात. लेकिन ये जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, ये मीडिया भी कवर कर रहा है, टीवी भी कवर कर रहा है, और आप लोग सब जानते हैं कि जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, राइट्स एंड पावर, ऑपोजिशन एंड ट्रेजरी रूलिंग, असल में जब तक हम लोगों के पास अधिकार नहीं आएगा, ये कुछ मतलब नहीं है. आप लोग सुझाव दीजिए. आई ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट द ट्रेजरी, मजाक मत उड़ाइए. ये भी इलेक्टेड है, और आप भी हमेशा वॉकआउट मत कीजिए, क्योंकि हमको सब देख रहे हैं, और हमारा बिहेवियर इन द हाउस विल डिटरमिन हमारा सोसाइटी का प्रॉब्लम. I thank you once again for having given me a chance. I appreciate your Honorable Chairman to have given me a few moments, and I thank and I hope that this budget henceforth we can work as a responsible opposition and a responsible treasury as well. Belai belai no hambai. Thank you. Patra cho. Thank you.